So the next 4 marks question in mechanical properties of solids. The question is, describe the behavior of a wire under increasing the load. So we can write the heading of question, behavior a metal wire under increasing load. Then let us consider a wire suspended from a rigid support and a load is applied at the other end of the wire. The load is gradually increased. Then we can draw a graph between stress and strain. So the strain we can take the along x-axis and stress along y-axis. So the headings are the proportionality limit, elastic limit, permanent set, yield point and tensile point, breaking point. So when we can observe this graph, so stress along y-axis, strain along x-axis, the points are the P, E, Y, T, B, O dash. So the first heading is proportionality limit. So when we can observe this graph from O to P, so OP is a straight line and stress is proportional to strain. So we can write stress proportional to strain. The wire obeys Hooke's law. So the point P is called proportionality limit. And the second one, elastic limit, it will be represented by E. So P to E, when we can observe this graph P to E, so the graph shape is small curved shape and stress is not proportional to strain, so it does not obeys the Hooke's law. But between P and E, when the load is removed, the wire will get regains its original length. So this property is called elastic property. So point is called elastic limit. And next one, permanent set, between E and Y, when the load is removed, the wire does not regain its original length, so it will be have a permanent increasing length. So this is shown by dashed lines in the figure, and O dash is called permanent set. So when we can observe this graph from O dash is called permanent set, so these dashed lines are called permanent set. And the next one, yield point, it will be represented by Y. When the wire crosses the point Y, the strain increases rapidly without any increase in the load. So Y is called yield point. Next one, tensile point, it will be represented by T. At the tensile point, the wire shows next, so T is called tensile point. And the last one, breaking point, it will be represented by B. The wire shows the next, and at the point B, the wire ultimately breaks. So these are the 6 heading to related to this question. So this is a very important 4 marks question in mechanical properties of solids. So we can write the graph between stress and strain and the 6 headings. So we can explain the 6 headings in this question.